everyone. Kind of weird for me, but I'm actually starting out a video with a declaration of defeat. My defeat came by the hand of the pins in chamber 2 and in chamber 5 of this Corbin. They are super strong magnets. Let me get a little closer. They are 3mm by 5mm neodymium rare earth magnets. And I spent several hours on this Corbin trying to pick it open with those magnets in it. Before I put them in, it was all standard pins, and you can open up in about 30 seconds. So there's a declaration of defeat by the hand of magnets. And on the second part of this video, you'll see where I actually took a quickset lock, stuck only 2 magnets in it, and made it way tougher to get into. Hey everybody, as you can tell from my declaration of defeat just a little bit ago, that today I'm playing with magnets. And the reason why I'm playing with magnets is I saw a declaration of defeat from Bosnian Bill where he tried to pick a lock that somebody stuck some magnets in. And I got the idea from that. So I went out on eBay, bought some 3mm by 5mm magnets, and stuck them in a, pretty decent lock and tried to pick it. And I spent an hour on that lock, and I couldn't get it open. So I went with something a little bit easier. This is a quick set. It's only got 2 magnets in it instead of 4. And we're going to try to pick it. And this one does have some other security pins in it as well, so maybe I'll get it, maybe I won't. So we're going to start out with Short Hook by Southord. Going to move to the back of the keyway. Actually, looks like pin 1 wants to go right away. So I got a little movement out of pin 1. Slight click out of pin 4. Little click out of pin 3. Another click out of pin 1. Little click out of 5. Another click out of 1. Little click out of 5. Still getting a little bit of feedback off of 5, but let me try some other pins. Another click out of 3. 2's bound up. Another click out of 5. Okay, 2 feels bound, but I'm getting a little bit of feedback. Okay, I got to click out of 2. Got another click out of 5. Let me tighten my vise up just a little bit. Five feels tight now. Kind of feels like a dead core now. Well, I'm getting a little bit of feedback off of 5. Let me try to wiggle him into place. He's not. There we go. I think I just wiggled him into place. Yeah, I did. I got a little bit of a false set. So I think I may have just gotten past the magnets too, because they would prevent me from getting a false set. Pin 4, getting a little bit of feedback off of 4. Let's just wiggle 4 a little bit. Okay, I got to click out of 4 and I've lost my false set. everything has gone springy. Which tells me I think I just overset pin 4. Maybe. Getting a little feedback off of 5. There we go. Alright, so just over 4 minutes on this lock. Seems like the magnets did have a little bit of part to play in it. So let's go ahead and lock them back up. Pop the clip. Put the key back in. Just turn it. Let's turn it a full 90 degrees. Okay. See the key pins? The key pins do all work. Okay, let me zoom in just a little bit. Pin 1, I've got a serrated. Pin 2, that's one of the magnets. Pin 3 is a serrated. Pin 4 is a serrated. And pin 5 is a short serrated. There in the plug, I've got threading in 1, 3, and 5. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the top of this lock. Okay, I gotta be careful when I go to set pin 2 on the tray, because it's going to want to jump all the way across the tray. There, I got a serrated in 1. And the magnet from 2. You can see, look at that dance. I'm about maybe an inch away from it right now, and it's wanting to, there it is. Strong little magnets. Makes pretty good sense why they kept me out of the other lock. And I got a serrated for chamber 3. I've got a spool from chamber 4. Kind of a hybrid spool, serrated. Let me set these springs down, making it hard to hold onto this thing with them in my hand. And chamber 5 is a nice serrated pin. Alright, let's see if I've done anything up top here. Yep, I've got threading in chamber 1 and chamber 5. And it looks like, yeah, I've got threading in chamber 3 as well. So I got threads in the same chambers as I do on the plug. Anyway, guys, the power of magnets can be helpful when making a challenge lock. And you can turn a challenge lock into a total revenge lock. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe to my videos.